So in this Kraken tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy Tether Gold, ticker symbol XAUT, on Kraken. Once Kraken's opened up, go to the bottom right and press on Buy Crypto. Then in the search bar at the top, type in XAUT, which in this case isn't actually the thing. So let's type in Tether Gold right here. Doesn't seem to be working. So another way you can actually do this is if you just go to most popular right here and you were to scroll down and press on see more. On this page right here, you'll actually be able to find Tether Gold if we keep going. So hopefully I don't skip past it, but there is a chance that I will skip past it. So just bear with me. Right here, Tether Gold. Go ahead and press on this. So I actually can't be traded in my region right here because I am in Canada, but if you're in a different country, for example, just go to the bottom, press on buy, and you'll be able to go ahead and proceed that way, type in the amount of this you're willing to buy, and then go to that way to confirm the transaction. So very simple, very straightforward. That's how you guys can buy Tether Gold, ticker symbol XAUT on Kraken. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.